All right, continuing our dissertation on typewriters that come apart, we're going to take a look at 3 more machines that have parts that come right out. This is Dave's Pittsburg Visible number 12.
That's probably my nicest typewriter.
I like these typewriters.
Of all my machines, that's probably the nicest old machine that I mean, to my way of thinking. To my way. And the neat disassembly feature is, there you go, you're looking right at it now. That little key says, lift this key to unlock basket.
Let's see what happens.
So we'll lift that up. Out comes the whole type basket.
Yep.
Still functions.
Now, I think in the brochures they called that the keyboard, but as Dave points out, that's really a whole lot more than just a keyboard.
Yeah.
And of course, you could change typeface on that, but obviously not pitch.
Right, like you said, yeah, not pitch. And then you got a big cast one-piece frame here again. The escapement, the mainspring, carriage, everything stays right in it.
Yep.
No, don't have to play with a ribbon. So that is how that one comes apart. Now I don't know that they did that necessarily for a ease of maintenance, or if their idea was to be able to switch typefaces, but there you have it.
It would be both. Cool. It would really be both. Here's a couple other typewriters where parts come off. This is the infamous Visograph, a typewriter so good that they only made 4,000 of them.
and a miracle that they made that many.
Yeah, and that's even a miracle. But this does have one non-retrograde feature. Up underneath here are 2 knurled knobs. If I loosen these, okay, I make sure that this roller is back out of the way, the shift limiter, back out of the way. If I loosen those, I get the carriage straight off.
Yep.
See those knurled knobs were...
Yep. That dog engages the mainspring so that it won't unwind.
If this had any tension on the mainspring at all.
Yeah, right. Yep.
Replacement is just that easy.
That's not a bad design. Would you think you'd be able to get different width carriages back then? Were they?
Yeah, they did. They did offer different widths.
Good luck finding one, right?
Yeah, you're not going to find
anything other than
hard enough to find one of these things.
Right.
A little more modern design is this post-war Cmag from West Germany. Much tighter design. If I reach underneath on both sides, I'll notice there's this little opening. I push up. There's a little catch in there that pops out the side panel. And if I go right here, there's a lever to release. I push that down. Same thing on the other side. Once having done that on both sides, I can lift the entire carriage right off.
That comes off the easiest of anything.
Yep.
And look at that. Access to, virtually the entire mechanism right there.
Yep, you can see the tabulator actuator mechanism at the back there.
We agreed, I think we discussed this before, this looks very German.
Oh, it sure does.
In its engineering and design and execution.
Excessively tight clearances.
Yep, lots of small components.
No
fine
part
tolerances.
Any stronger than necessary, yeah.
Yep. But boy, it works. I mean,
it's a finely made typewriter. There's no question about it.
Yeah.
And it's a real workhorse. If you line it up right like that, you put it right back on.
I would think that one, the advantage here would not only be different width carriages, but the ability to get to the important parts to work on very quickly.
Right.
That would be both a definite plus on this machine. Back in action.
So there you go. There's 3 more typewriters where parts come right off. So, like we said the other day with the Imperial, there might be some typewriters you might walk right by and think, that's an uninteresting typewriter. Well, examine them a little more deeply, and you might find some interesting features.
See you again soon.